Welcome back, learner buddies. I am back with a brand new topic that is in front of you. The name of the topic is Forest of the Future and how reforestation can change the world. Actually, I uploaded lots of videos that is related to the problems only, which caused severe tension and problem in the today's world. But now I think it's time to get to the point that how we can save our world. I already upload lots of video to the solution part as well. So this is also a solution to the world problems that we are facing currently widely. So basically, the topic is forest of the future and how reforestation can change the whole world. Why reforestation is important. I always emphasized over the things that climate change, global warming, unsustainability, and other things like pollutions and other hazards like very kind of disasters and any other problems could be actually covered up with the thing like forestation, afforestation, reforestation. Now it's time to talk about the reforestation in detail. Let's do this topic because this is gonna be a fun. So let's buckle up your seat and deep dive into the topic with me. First of all, you have to understand about it what is the introduction. This topic includes that how reforestation is one of the important aspect in actually is being a solution to the climate change and environment degradation and other losses of the things. Basically, replanting lost forest not only create the green space but also it restores the ecosystem, which is actually at a stake now these days. Actually, this topic is very much important for you also because you are going to be the next generation who is going to be live in this world. Because I already mentioned a lot of time, there is no planet B. We have to save our earth. So let's introduce this topic that is reforestation. So, what is the definition of the reforest? That is basically a process of replanting the trees in previously destroyed, deforested, or degraded areas. Take an example that there was an area who was actually covered with lots of forest kind of trees and in the past, but now somehow with the degradation or deforestation by cutting the trees, now that area is not a forest. Reforestation is a process to make that area again into forest. So basically it is a effort to restore the ecological function, the damaged forest, degraded forest, deforested, basically improve the environment quality and help to stabilize the global climate, that is global warming everywhere, which we have to solve somehow. Reforestation is not just a planning to actually to plant new trees but also focus on restoring the natural habitats which is affected by deforestation. So reforestation is very much important. That is a process where you have to actually going to replant the trees again at the same place where somehow in the past there was a forest. Now I think you get some idea that what is the definition of the reforestation. Before moving into further, you have to understand about it what are the actually negative impact of the deforestation, that why we are going to take a step over the for deforestation and afforestation. Basically deforestation is meaning cutting trees only, that you are destroying and devastating the forest area, that is deforestation for your economical purpose, for industrialization, for other terms and condition of human being, that doesn't matter. Deforestation is cutting the trees and devastating and destroying the forest. That's it. And how it impact negatively on the environment, there are some points. First of all, it actually disturb the water cycle. Deforestation actually disturb the water cycle by reducing the evaporation. As we already know that evaporation has to be done by the plants. So if the plants are not present, that how it could be possible that evaporation would be there in a good manner. So it reduced evaporation, which decrease the cloud formation and rainfall also. Then obviously it actually end up with the problem of droughts or excess of the water and dried condition and other problems. But basically whole the water cycle got disrupted by the deforestation. Second point and second negative impact, or the loss of biodiversity. We know that thing. By destroying the forest, we lost the actually habitats as well, which are essential for the species survivals, actually leading to the population of, and also at the end of the point, extinction of the creatures that is living in a forest. What else are you expecting by the deforestation? You are actually destroying the home of creatures, and by destroying all these things, you are actually losing the biodiversity part. Next point is climate change. Definitely, if you are destroying, if every person destroying the forest, the climate change would be happen. Basically, deforestation intensify the climate change because release the carbon emission like carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, leading to the climate change. Fourth most important negative impact of deforestation is soil erosion. If there would be no land for the forest, then it is impossible for the soil to actually to take up the soil, to embedded the soil, and actually it is very difficult for soil to bind up to the earth crust. That's why soil erosion is a very common impact, yet very negative and very problematic thing due to the deforestation. I hope now you understand that why deforestation is so important to understand and so important to stop down. So this is all about the negative impact of the deforestation. Now let's talk about the benefit of the reforestation for the climate change. I already mentioned that thing. Climate change is moreover like the emission of the greenhouse gases due to the climate change and temperature of the earth actually somehow rising. I already upload the whole video related to the climate change. If you really want to understand the particular topic climate change, then you have to watch this video again. But now here for this video, reforestation actually, basically you are planting trees, so it absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and actually store it in their biomasses. And reforestation is a effectively very good way to reduce the concentration of the carbon emission which cause global warming. And due to planting trees, carbon emission would be less, global warming would be less, actually at the end of the moment climate change would be less. So that is very important to understand about it. Now the reforestation and biodiversity reforestation, what is these things? Now if you know that thing, forests are the habitat for the around of the species living in the land in the world. So basically reforestation help restore lost habitats, creating new living spaces for flora and fauna, and protect endangered species. Because when we are going to the terms of reforestation, we are actually giving the home to the creatures, to the species, to the animals and the plants, and lots of things we are doing in a very good manner. So basically, if we know that forests are the habitat which actually covered up the 80% of the species in the living world, so you can understand about it. If we're doing somehow the deforestation, then we are using, we're actually destroying the 80% of the species living land. So it is very important. Reforestation is directly related to the biodiversity restoration, so it is very important. Next thing, the role of the reforestation, if we talk about in the water cycle, we already know this thing. Water cycle is actually become good in terms when we planting more trees. That is very important. Actually, tree plays an important role in the water cycle through the transpiration, water evaporation, water absorption, and other things. This reduce the soil erosion and maintain the soil fertility as well. That is a very important thing for you to understand. So actually what happened when we plant a forest again, and lots of plants would be there, lots of tree would be present, actually soil bind up with the trees and there would be very less risk of the flooding. That is very important to understand. So basically reforestation is also directly related to the white water cycle as well. So now you have to also understand about the social and the economical impact of the deforestation. Actually, if we are planting lots of trees, it is not only beneficial for the environment but for the economic opportunity as well. How so? Like it increase the agriculture productivity, Like it also improve the welfare of the local communities, like they just use that thing, they can use that as a wildlife, and they just use as a zoo kind of other area. And third thing that is very important and very crucial to understand, that is natural disaster risk reduction. It would be reduce the natural disasters like earthquake and also the soil erosion, flood and the drought. All these things had to be reduced at a very much extent if you place the reforestation in the longer extent, in the larger extent. So, if we to conclude, let's just conclude this particular topic. Basically, reforestation is an important step to restoring the ecosystem damaged by the reforestation, and actually, it is providing the hope to the future of the green environment, which is very much important and very much required as well. By planting trees, we not only protect the biodiversity, but also actually we are protecting the ecosystem as well. We decrease the climate change, we decrease the global warming, we decrease the risk of the natural disasters, we decrease the problems that is facing day by day solutions. So basically, restoration is a long term contribution of the well being of this planet Earth, which we are actually very important to. So it is creating a sustainable environment for the future generation. That is basically you are the future generation, and we have to do this thing for you only, and you are the only person who can do this. You have to do this for you only. This is the main thing for today's class. This is the main perspective. I hope you enjoyed the class. Today's topic was all related to the reforestation, all about the greenery and the greenery only. So basically, I hope this material is very helpful for you. This actually video is going to give you some hope that how we can give a better life to the future generation as well, how we can be into the progress that to become our earth more livable. That is all about ourselves, that is not about the single person, that is all about for all that is living in a earth. So this topic is all related to deforestation, how it helps us, what are the negative impact of the deforestation, how it helps in terms of water cycle, climate change and other problems. So this topic was dedicated to the reforestation, which is one of the important thing and which is one of the important solution for today's problem. That is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed the topic. You just get lots of knowledge from the topic. I hope that's all for today. We will meet soon with a new topic, with a new hope, with a new knowledge, with lots of fun activities and with lots of daily life examples with beautiful slides as well. Let's wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed the session, and thank you so much for listening that. Have a very nice day. Up till the next video. Happy learning. Bye everyone.